This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the time zone region in Linux Mint. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change the time zone in Linux Mint, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left hand corner, down to my little menu button. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go up to this icon right here. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says System Settings. Click on that. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, in the Preferences section, you'll see Date and Time right here. Click on Date and Time. And then right in here, it tells you your region. My region is America, and the city that I have listed is Chicago. But you can change your region by clicking this drop down. You could select any one of these, and then you would select the closest city to you right over here. You would scroll through here and select that. That is how you change your time zone in Linux Mint. Thanks for watching.